Hi, Pat here. I got two Pioneer stereos here. The bottom one is a SX680. It was made about 1971 and about the first of the silver face stereos. The top one is an SX680. It was made about 1978. Again, towards the last of the silver face stereos of that era. You can see quite a bit of difference of them as time goes by. Look at this. It's more of a tape wood grain. This is much nicer wood. I do like the silver knobs better than the black ones, but they still look good. I said wood quality much better on this one in 70. And on the back here, this one uses these funky speaker plugs. I was lucky to have a couple around rather than go searching for them. And even got these shortening plugs in here. Let's just short that out, make sure no noise gets through to the phono section. This one does have voltage change on it. It will go to 240. It doesn't have the 75 ohm antenna as this one would have. Other than that, this one does have connections for magnetic and ceramic cartridges, and it does have preamp out and main amp in. This top one doesn't. And both of these, the bottom one, the older one, is 28 watts per channel, and the top one is 30 watts per channel, so they're both about the same. But the bottom one, as you can see, is much bigger. But I'm going to start tearing both these down in separate videos, so just a quick look at these. Thanks for watching. Here's a quick look at the inside of these two stereos. This one is the 990, made in 1971. And let's look what they put inside this thing. Take a look at the bottom. Really a lot to it. And here's the 680, made in 78. Not nearly as much inside this thing. And I didn't even take the bottom off because there ain't nothing to see in the bottom. And it just shows the difference, how they made these things over the years.